Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing garlic mushroom rice, ideal as a healthy meal for lunch or for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. The ingredients to make garlic mushroom rice are: I am using 3 cups of cooked Thuyamalli rice. Thuyamalli rice has a low glycemic index, hence ideal to include in diabetic diet, PCOS, thyroid, or simply in your weight loss diet. This particular rice is hand pound and it has the most B vitamins among all rice varieties. Thuya means pure and Malli means jasmine. This traditional rice looks more like a jasmine bud once it is cooked, and hence the reason for the name Thuyamalli. This traditional indigenous rice variety is a perfect composition to help regulate a healthy and balanced diet. Do try to source locally or you can source it online. Buying links will be given in the description box below this video. So this is 3 cups of cooked Thuyamalli rice, and I cooked the rice without adding salt. 200 grams roughly chopped button mushrooms, 3 tablespoons garlic finely chopped, half cup white part of green onions, 1 cup green part of green onions finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped. You can increase or decrease green chilli to suit your taste. I'll be using juice of 1 whole lemon, half of a capsicum chopped, freshly ground black pepper powder as needed. I'm heating my kadai with 2 tablespoons wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 3 tablespoons finely chopped garlic cloves. Give it a stir and allow the garlic cloves to turn light golden brown in color. Once the garlic starts to turn light golden brown in color, add in white part of green onions, give it a stir, add in the chopped mushrooms, give it a stir, cover and cook for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, open the lid. As you can see, once the mushroom starts to get cooked, moisture will start to release out. Give it a good stir. Add in 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed. Give this all a good mix, cover and allow the mushrooms to get cooked thoroughly. A couple of minutes later, open the lid. The mushrooms are now nicely cooked. Put the flame on high and allow the moisture to evaporate. A couple of minutes later, the moisture has dried up. Add in the finely chopped green chilli, half of a capsicum chopped, give it a good stir. I personally like to add capsicum towards the end of the cooking so that it will retain the subtle crunch of the capsicum. It's just a matter of personal preference. If you prefer, you can add the capsicum before cooking the mushroom. For me personally, I like the subtle crunch of the capsicum in the dish. Add in the cooked Thuyamalli rice. Note that I did not add any salt while cooking the rice. Hence, I added 1 teaspoon of salt to the mushrooms. If you prefer more salt, you can add at this stage. This is a quick rice dish which you can enjoy with any side dish of your choice. It's super easy to make, especially if you have some cooked rice. If you don't have this particular variety of rice at hand, you can use basmati rice instead. Give this all a good mix. Add in the finely chopped green onions. Squeeze in 1 whole lemon and give this all a good mix. Turn off the flame and my super healthy, flavorful mushroom garlic rice is ready to serve. You can enjoy this with any side dish of your choice. So guys, you try this healthy garlic mushroom rice and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.